Everybody, Jim King, Kansas City, North Kansas City. We've got a little concrete footing, 2x2, 2 foot thick concrete footing. We're gonna get built in the floor today and let it set for a few days, cure, and come back, put a support beam in on top of it. Folks, we've been selling our King Piers to people, DIYers all over the United States, and we just sold 5 piers in place to a gentleman in Waxahachie, Florida, and people from Indiana to Tennessee are calling us for our piers. Do it yourselves, folks that want to do it themselves and get the best pier on the market. We met with, I've got Cooper Flum, he's the vice president of my sales of my King Piers, and he's got about 17 meetings with my competitors, and I guess from now on we're not considering them competitors. We'd like to sell them our pier system and offer them the same success that we've had. So yeah, we met a guy yesterday, KC Pier, quality folks. They care about people and they care about the homes that they work on. So if you're going to get a bid, call King Piers or call KC Pier. Between either one of us, you're going to get a quality 5-star project. So for all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.